In this video, we'll discuss how to set up a user. So let's jump in and start by navigating to the left side menu. Open System Setup, then select Users. Now the right side of your screen is where the users will be set up and displayed. We'll need to start at the bottom portion of the screen and select Add to create a user. For this demo, we'll set up a new user by the name of Ava Harper. We'll use 505 as our 3-digit username and agent ID. Select the Password Expires box if you would like to have the agent create a new password every 30 days. We'll leave this unchecked. If you would like to prevent agents from changing their passwords, simply select the next box labeled Change Password Blocked. Make sure the correct customer group is selected. Now we'll jump to the Phone tab to set the extension and a few other options. We'll set the extension to match the agent ID we previously entered under the Details tab. The CC client uses RTC SIP, so we'll leave the device type on the current selection. The SIP proxy URL should have been provided with your initial setup docs. The DID dropdown can be used to assign a direct number to the user. We'll leave this set to none. The outbound ANI is used to show a specific caller ID to the person a user is calling. We'll leave this blank. The line appearance is currently defaulted to 4, which will enable users to have more than one active call. Leaving this set to 4 will let users place other calls while the current call is on hold. In the next two drop-down menus, we can set Auto Answer for non-queued and queued calls. We'll set these to none. Next, determine if the user's call should be recorded. Deflect calls will control what happens to a call that is deflected by the user. It can be transferred to another destination, sent to voicemail, or disconnected. We'll set this to voicemail. Now we'll need to enable our voicemail using the next two boxes. The voicemail to email will only work if an email was entered for the user. In the forwarding section, you'll be able to set up call forwarding if needed. Simply enable it, enter the destination, and set when calls should be forwarded. Always forward calls, forward if there's no answer, or forward if the extension is busy. Call forwarding will not work on calls from a queue, since queues are set up to ring an agent, then re-queue the call to other agents if the initial agent doesn't answer. This will ensure that a queued call is always answered if an agent is available. Now we'll select Save and move to the Groups tab. Open the Users Group dropdown and select a template. If there's not a template available, watch the Desktop Designer video to set one up. So the user groups control which templates are assigned to a user. These templates will hold the different widgets available to a user after they log in to the CC client interface. We'll discuss the different widgets and their functions in the user console training videos. We recommend setting up a general user template and a separate supervisor template. Having supervisor templates assigned to specific users will provide them access to the admin tool, where the general user template would be set up to show an assigned user specific queues they are assigned to and other employees within the same queue. The report group section is designed to help supervisors quickly pull reports that only return specific users within a group. We'll go over this in more detail in the report groups training video. Under the CC tab, we'll select the Agent as Team box, which will set the agent as her own team. Then make sure the Push CC Contacts is checked so the agent will get calls from the assigned queue. The Is Coach, when selected, enables a user to listen or assist with other users' calls. Select Save and navigate to the CC Admin tab. This section is set up to provide supervisor users access to the different admin screens. Simply select Edit CC Admin, choose the screens, then select Save CC Admin. The Reports tab is used to provide supervisor users access to various system reports. Same as the CC Admin, simply select Edit Reports, choose the reports that should be accessible, then select Save Reports. Now we'll move to the Customers tab, select the customer group we set up, then Save. Once you have a user created, simply use the Copy button to quickly create additional users with the same settings. There will be some settings to adjust on the newly created users, but it's much faster than re-entering every detail. You now know how to set up users in the system.